Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, advanced Python modules. What are the built-in modules called random function? How we are going to use random in this video session, we'll see more. Watch it.
Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you built-in modules. Random values module we are going to discuss especially. There is a huge library modules are available in Python, standardization libraries. We can straight away import that libraries and utilize and use the freely in Python language, like email sending module, like package, and generating of the random values and sending email templates, SMS packages. These are the things are available in Python by default, but we need to search for it there, and we can have which one which will be suits for us. For the packages, you can search easily. Go to Google and Python 3 module index. Just simply type Python 3 module index over there, and you will get the information of the all the packages and modules over there, and you will have an information. Like I will show you, this keyword is Python 3 module index. Just type this keyword and you will find all the modules which are available freely available in Python. There you can understand it, and which is the real utilization and usage of with your help of usage of you, and you can use it. And moreover, you can expand over there in the environment of like a local requirement of the library. There is an external libraries is there, expand Python 3.8 plus and Python 8 library under the root lib here. You can find the modules and the available versions which are the Python language suits to you. All right, for this in this session we are going to tell you how to module will be important. See here, import random module. The random module we can utilize. What are the functions we should know simply? For an instance, for I in range method I am using, which is the method is available in random module. That range function I am sending 3 is my value, and print what it will becomes. Range like a random dot random of method. That's it. Here for loop, you have to mention this colon and run this. See, these are the values, range of the numerical values are displaying here. If you rerun this, some different other values will come. Randomizing the number, simple way. And for an instance, you can randomize the number by using randit, using the randint, yep, and int. You can specify the range between 10, 20. Within this, the 3 numbers only required. The range of the 10, 20 between 3 numbers. See, it will gives. So 20, 16, 18. Within the range of 10, 20, it will give you the 3 numbers. Ready-made random module, you should know what are the functions are available to utilize to run the utilize the particular module. Similarly, you can use to randomize the some choices of list items. Shall we have an example with the list items? Like just a second, it's importing here, and I'm preparing for a list of items called members. Then a list item here with the double quotes, list, double quotes, singer, hero, something let us crash and bad. I'm taking that. This is the list items I have there, and I want to randomize these numbers. Simply, we have a method called random is enough. Just I can say that equal to random dot random dot choice, guest of the choice, who is for our member like members. You can select it and enter. Then it will be automatically selects. Print. It will choose the who is your by default guest. Simply execute it. Random choice is a method we are using from out of the list. And a guest. So the hero is coming here. Who is the hero? He is the guest. And once again, it will be choices in a bat. It's a, once again, choice is a crush. Once again, like a hero. Likewise, we can randomly we can identify what we require. Okay. Likewise, this you have to prepare for this much numbers as you require. In the next session, we will see how to use a date time in Python language, which is the built-in.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, find the description below. My details are available if any tutorial and requirements. Thank you.